In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print tasks from Asana. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, head over to the Asana website. You'll want to ensure you've got your credentials handy, as we'll need them to log in. Once you're on the site, look towards the upper right corner of the page, and there you'll find the Log In button. Give that a click. After clicking Log In, you'll be presented with several options to access your account. To keep things simple, we're going to continue with Google. Click on Continue with Google, and from there, just select the Google account that you normally use for Asana. This will help streamline the process and get you where you need to be faster. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the left panel of the Asana interface. You'll see a list of your projects there. Go ahead and select the project you're interested in by clicking on it. This will open up the project board for you to view all your tasks conveniently. Now that you're inside the project, there's a drop-down menu you need to access. At the very top of your screen, you'll see the project name. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several actions you can perform on this project. Among these options, look for Sync Export. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll initiate the task printing process. Within the Sync Export options, you'll notice a Print option. Clicking on Print will open a print configuration window. This is where you can set your preferences for how you'd like the tasks to be printed. You can adjust a variety of settings here, such as paper size, layout, and more, to ensure that the printout meets your needs. After configuring your print settings to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Print button, which will execute the printing process. Make sure your printer is on and ready, and soon enough you'll have a printed version of your tasks from Asana. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to print tasks from Asana efficiently and effectively. This process allows you to have a tangible copy of your task lists, which can be especially useful for meetings, planning sessions, or simply keeping track of your to-dos offline. Thank you for spending these few minutes learning with me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other tips on optimizing your workflow with Asana. Until next time, happy task managing.